We are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ significantly. In British English, this is normally pronounced as respiratory, with an emphasis on the second syllable, the sp syllable. Respiratory. The O in the word is virtually silent, you can't hear it. Respiratory. In American English, however, this is normally said as respiratory, with an emphasis on the first syllable, the res syllable. Respiratory, and you do hear the O there. Respiratory in American English versus respiratory in British English. Does that make sense? Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations vary between British English and American English, and whose pronunciations in general is just not always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.